the question is, what factors influence the cost of an air conditioner quotation? And there's two main factors, the materials and the labor. So if you have to purchase a lot more materials to get the job done, let's say the system is really spread out in the house and you have to have 2 refrigerant line sets versus 1, things like that, that's going to drive the price up. And the other thing that'll drive the price up is the time it takes to install that additional line set or cut in that access or move all the stuff in the closet or whatever. So the time and the materials, we've heard a lot of quotes broken down that way. Those are the two main things. And contrary to popular belief, the labor actually influences the cost of that quotation a bit more than just the cost of the equipment. So if you're wondering how to save money on your project, usually it's the labor, and the hardest thing to replace on these jobs is professional craftsmanship. So ask your contractor what you can do differently with your design to reduce the amount of labor that needs to go into that project. Hey, I hope that helps. Again, this is Josh with Thompson Air Conditioning. Thanks for watching.